Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to update BIOS or UEFI firmware using a built-in utility. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Some systems come with a built-in utility to flash the BIOS or UEFI firmware without needing an OS. Updating your BIOS or UEFI firmware can improve your system's performance, stability, and compatibility with new hardware. Updating your BIOS or UEFI firmware using a built-in utility is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth update. Identify your current BIOS version. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type MISINFO32 and press Enter. In the System Information window, look for the BIOS version, date entry to see your current BIOS version. Identify your motherboard model or your laptop manufacturer using System Information. In the System Information window, look for the baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product entries to identify your motherboard model. In the System Information window, look for the system manufacturer and system model entries to identify your laptop's manufacturer and model. Using CPU-Z, download and install or extract CPU-Z. Open CPU-Z and go to the Mainboard tab to see detailed information about your motherboard. Download the BIOS update file. Go to your browser of choice and search for your motherboard model. Then enter the manufacturer's website. Go to the Support or Downloads section on the website of your motherboard or laptop manufacturer. Look for the Driver and Utility or Similar section. Then go to BIOS and Firmware or a similar section. Download the latest version available of the BIOS to your computer. In some cases, you may need to rename the BIOS file. You can do this by clicking on the BIOS renumber file that comes with it. Make sure to read the description under the BIOS section on the manufacturer's website, and it's better to read the manual of your motherboard manufacturer. Prepare a USB drive. Insert the USB drive into the computer and format it to FAT32. Copy the downloaded BIOS file to the USB drive. Enter BIOS or UEFI setup. Restart your computer. Press the key specified by your manufacturer, often F2, F10, delete, or escape, to enter the BIOS or UEFI setup. If you are in easy mode view, switch to advanced mode view. In my case, I can do that by clicking on advanced mode or pressing F7. Go to the Tool tab or something similar and look for an option in the BIOS or UEFI menu like EZ Flash, Q Flash, or similar, depending on your motherboard manufacturer. Navigate to the utility using the arrow keys and select it. Select the USB drive as the source for the BIOS update. Locate and choose the BIOS update file you copied to the USB drive. Start the update process. Confirm that you want to update the BIOS. The built-in utility will proceed with the update. Do not turn off your computer during this process, as it can damage your motherboard. After the update is complete, the computer will typically reboot. Enter BIOS or UEFI setup again to reapply any custom settings like boot order or overclocking configurations. By following these steps, you can safely and effectively update your BIOS or UEFI firmware using the built-in utility. This process ensures your system is up to date with the latest enhancements and security fixes. If you need specific instructions for your motherboard model, consulting the manufacturer's documentation is always a good idea. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.